Hello and welcome back to Automotive Tales. On today's episode, well, you will see I'm stood in front of the Audi A6, and that is because it's filthy. So I talked in a previous episode about potentially trading this car in, looking to get myself a 911. I think it's going to be on the cards. The reception in the comments was basically stop messing around and get on with it. So before I do that, I'm going to need to give us a clean. And also because driving on the roads in December and January, well, it gets filthy in a matter of minutes. And at the moment, you can't even read the rear number plate. So I am going to do some gratuitous time lapse of me snow foaming the Audi. I'm going to use some Nielsen chemicals. I am not sponsored by them. If they want to sponsor me, they're more than welcome. But I did buy some new cleaning products from Nielsen Chemicals off the back of the video that Johnny Smith did with the Volvo T5R, which was parked here. And if you go back and look at that video, I'll put a link in the top of the screen now, you will find that Johnny Smith has a promo code, so I was able to get some money off my Nielsen Chemicals cleaning products. Right, time to go and play with some cameras and some snow foam. So you might be wondering why I'm cleaning the car. I already mentioned that potentially I want to trade this in for a 911, so I need to see what sort of state it's actually in, get it scrubbed up clean, see if it looks, you know, retail ready. But also because after doing the airport run the other day, it really got very, very dirty driving through freezing fog. On the subject of that, I actually did a little cold start video clip because I wasn't sure how well it was going to start the morning of going to the airport because it was -6 degrees here in the UK, almost as cold as it was in the ski resort. But the old girl who was just clocked 150,000 miles started like a dream. Bonus footage, let's see how the Audi starts after a good few days of sitting out here. Freezing cold. Oh, struggled a bit, but it did start, even though it's -5.5. Very good, Audi. And that's not the only car we've been doing a cold start on. So I had to do a scrap run with Le Van, and I did wonder whether that would start. Now I've fixed the ignition switch problem, and it gave me some troubles, but it did eventually start. Hello and welcome back to a very frosty Automotive Tales. So out of practicality, we're still doing van related things, and as you might notice, it's a little bit frosty this morning. So I need to get the van running. It's about -4, I think it was -6 overnight, so brr. So we're going to see whether this knackered old Transit will start in this incredibly cold temperature. So join me as we do a cold start, hopefully, on a really knackered old Transit. Right, it's open. It's relatively successful. Well, we'll deal with this if we know it's going to start, shall we? Well, we have a new ignition switch, so at least we know that bit works. Glow plugs are going. Do we give it a second go on the glow plugs? I think we probably should. They're still going. Right, off again. Nice positive action on the key now. Glow plugs again. Here goes. They're taking their time, which is probably a good thing. It's spinning over. Come on. Yeah, that doesn't bode well. Right, hold on. Let's try this again. Glow plugs are going. Oh, nearly. No, it won't let me go until they're warmed. Come on! No, it won't let me. Come on! It's not so exciting with a diesel, there's a lot of waiting around. Come on! Oh, so close. One more time. Oh, no, it won't. That's marginally worrying. Right, I think it wants the key all the way out. Oh, shit. So it won't let you go until the glow plugs have come on. A lot. The engine's going to be toasty. Come on! It's alive! Sort of. It only took about 5 minutes. It's fine. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. Good girl. Right. Shall we? Oh my God. Nope. Oh, good Lord. Now don't forget, when you de-ice in your car, the most important thing is don't forget to scrape the ice off the inside. Okay, so that's all for this episode of Automotive Tales. I hope you enjoyed the gratuitous time lapse of cleaning the car. It does now look quite nice. I have got one more bucket of water to throw over it because I've done the first wash, sprayed it all down, and some of the muck that was on the roof and other areas is still sitting on the lower panels. So fresh bucket, give it one last clean with my Nielsen Chemicals shampoo, and then that's it. I'm not going to bother drying it off because it's a little bit breezy, as you might be able to hear on the microphone, so I'm sure it's going to dry itself really rather quickly, and I'm also going to take it for a blast down the road because I don't like leaving water sitting everywhere, so I want to get it all nice and dried off. Yeah, that's it for this episode of Automotive Tales. Join us next time when, well, the Clio is going to be moving for the first time in a long time. But more of that next time. Bye for now. That was terrible. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. So fresh bucket, give it one last clean with my Nielsen I can't say that. With my Nielsen Chemicals cleaning fluid and, no, try it again. With my Nielsen Chemicals shampoo, and then that's it.